Hi, in this video we will be talking about the importance of maximizing passive income. Watch this video to the end to learn strategies to make money while you sleep. Welcome back to the International CEO. In today's fast-paced world, the desire to generate income without actively trading time for money has become a prevalent goal for many individuals. The concept of making money while you sleep, often referred to as passive income, has gained significant attention as people seek financial freedom and flexibility. Passive income streams offer the potential to generate revenue continuously, even when you're not actively working. From rental properties to online businesses, there are numerous avenues through which individuals can earn passive income. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into various passive income strategies, exploring their benefits, challenges, and how to effectively leverage them to build long-term wealth. Understanding passive income. Passive income is income that requires minimal effort to earn and maintain. Unlike active income, which is earned through direct involvement in a job or business, passive income can be generated through investments, assets, or business ventures that operate autonomously or with minimal ongoing effort. While achieving true make money while you sleep status may require upfront work and investment, the eventual goal is to establish income streams that continue to flow with minimal ongoing input. Types of passive income strategies. Real estate investments. Real estate investments offer various avenues for generating passive income, including rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and real estate crowdfunding platforms. Rental properties provide steady rental income while also offering the potential for property appreciation over time. REITs allow investors to gain exposure to real estate assets without the hassle of property management, while real estate crowdfunding platforms enable individuals to invest in specific properties with smaller capital contributions. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing dividend-paying stocks or funds, allowing investors to earn regular income in the form of dividends. Companies that consistently pay dividends provide shareholders with a source of passive income, which can be reinvested to compound returns over time. Dividend investing is popular among long-term investors seeking to build a portfolio that generates income while also benefiting from potential capital appreciation. Online businesses. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for creating passive income through online businesses. From e-commerce stores to affiliate marketing and digital product sales, online businesses offer scalability and flexibility. By creating valuable content, products, or services, individuals can attract customers and generate revenue around the clock. Building an online business typically requires upfront investment in terms of time, resources, and marketing efforts but can yield significant returns in the long run. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms facilitate lending money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. By acting as a lender, individuals can earn passive income through the interest earned on their loans. P2P lending platforms utilize technology to match lenders with borrowers, providing an alternative investment opportunity that can diversify investment portfolios and generate consistent returns. Royalties and licensing. Creating intellectual property such as books, music, or software can lead to passive income through royalties and licensing agreements. Authors earn royalties on book sales, musicians receive royalties for song downloads and streams, and software developers earn licensing fees for the use of their software. While creating intellectual property requires upfront effort and creativity, the potential for passive income from royalties can be substantial, especially for works with enduring popularity. Benefits of passive income. Financial freedom. Passive income provides individuals with financial freedom by diversifying income streams and reducing reliance on traditional employment. By generating income passively, individuals have greater flexibility to pursue their passions, spend time with family, or pursue other interests without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. Scalability. Many passive income strategies, such as online businesses and investments, offer scalability, allowing individuals to increase their income potential without proportional increases in time or effort. As passive income streams grow, individuals can reinvest earnings to further expand their income-generating assets. Wealth accumulation. By consistently reinvesting earnings and compounding returns, individuals can accelerate wealth accumulation over time. Passive income streams provide a reliable source of cash flow, which can be reinvested into additional income-generating assets, ultimately leading to financial independence. Challenges of passive income. Initial investment. Many passive income strategies require an upfront investment of time, money, or resources. Whether it's purchasing rental properties, investing in dividend stocks, or starting an online business, individuals may need to commit significant resources before seeing substantial returns. Overcoming the initial investment hurdle often requires careful planning, research, and risk assessment. Market volatility. Passive income streams tied to investments, such as stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending, are subject to market volatility. Economic downturns, fluctuations in interest rates, or changes in consumer behavior can impact the performance of passive income investments. Diversification and risk management strategies are essential for mitigating the impact of market volatility on passive income streams. Maintenance and management. While passive income streams are designed to require minimal ongoing effort, they still require maintenance and management to ensure continued profitability. Rental properties require property management, online businesses need regular updates and marketing efforts, and investment portfolios require monitoring and rebalancing. Effective management is essential for maximizing passive income potential and addressing any issues that may arise. Tips for maximizing passive income. Diversify your income streams. Diversification is key to building resilient passive income streams. By spreading investments across multiple asset classes, industries, and revenue streams, individuals can reduce risk and enhance long-term stability. Diversification can include owning multiple rental properties, investing in a mix of dividend stocks, and exploring various online business opportunities. Reinvest earnings. Reinvesting earnings is essential for accelerating wealth accumulation through passive income. Rather than solely relying on passive income for living expenses, consider reinvesting a portion of earnings to compound returns over time. Reinvesting can help grow income streams exponentially and build a solid foundation for financial independence. Continuously educate yourself. Staying informed about passive income strategies, investment opportunities, and market trends is crucial for success. Continuously educate yourself through books, online courses, seminars, and networking with other passive income enthusiasts. By staying abreast of industry developments and refining your skills, you can identify new opportunities and adapt to changing market conditions. Automate processes. Automate recurring tasks, such as rent collection for rental properties, dividend reinvestment for stocks, and email marketing for online businesses. By automating processes, you can free up time to focus on strategic growth initiatives and enjoy the true benefits of passive income. Building passive income streams requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Whether you're investing in real estate, building an online business, or diversifying your investment portfolio, the goal is to create sustainable income streams that provide financial security and freedom. By understanding the various passive income strategies available, addressing the associated challenges, and implementing effective wealth-building tactics, you can embark on a journey towards making money while you sleep and achieving your financial goals. Remember, the path to passive income success may require perseverance, but the rewards of financial independence and flexibility are well worth the effort. Expanding passive income strategies. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through affiliate links and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your referral. It's a popular strategy for bloggers, influencers, and website owners to monetize their content. By partnering with affiliate programs relevant to your niche, you can earn passive income by recommending products or services to your audience. Success in affiliate marketing often hinges on building trust with your audience, providing valuable content, and strategically promoting affiliate products without being overly promotional. Rental income from assets. Beyond traditional real estate properties, other assets can also generate rental income. These include equipment rentals, such as cameras, tools, or vehicles, and intellectual property rentals, such as patents, trademarks, or copyrights. Renting out assets allows you to leverage existing resources to generate passive income without the need for substantial upfront investment. However, proper maintenance, insurance, and legal considerations are essential when renting out assets to ensure a smooth and profitable rental experience. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. While not as glamorous as other passive income strategies, high-yield savings accounts and CDs offer a low-risk way to earn passive income through interest payments. These financial instruments provide a secure way to park your cash while earning a competitive interest rate. While the returns may be modest compared to other investment opportunities, high-yield savings accounts and CDs offer stability and liquidity, making them suitable for short-term savings goals and emergency funds. Peer-to-peer real estate investing. Peer-to-peer, P2P, real estate investing platforms allow individuals to invest in real estate projects alongside other investors, typically through crowdfunding. These platforms pool investor funds to finance real estate transactions, such as fix and flip projects, rental properties, or commercial developments. P2P real estate investing provides an opportunity to diversify your real estate portfolio without the hassles of property management or large capital requirements. However, like any investment, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence and understand the associated risks before investing. Common misconceptions about passive income. Passive income requires no effort. Contrary to popular belief, passive income does require effort, especially in the initial stages of building income streams. While passive income may not require active participation once established, it often demands upfront work, research, and ongoing maintenance to ensure sustainability and profitability. Whether it's creating content for an online business, managing rental properties, or monitoring investment portfolios, passive income still requires dedication and commitment to achieve long-term success. Passive income guarantees overnight wealth. While passive income has the potential to generate significant wealth over time, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building sustainable passive income streams requires patience, perseverance, and a long-term mindset. Success rarely happens overnight, and it's essential to manage expectations and stay committed to your financial goals despite setbacks or challenges along the way. Consistency and discipline are key to realizing the full potential of passive income. Passive income is completely risk-free. Although passive income strategies vary in risk levels, no investment is entirely risk-free. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or starting an online business, there are inherent risks involved that can impact your returns. Market fluctuations, Economic downturns and unforeseen circumstances can affect the performance of passive income streams. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, diversify your investments, and regularly assess risk factors to mitigate potential losses and safeguard your financial future. Practical tips for success. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals and objectives for generating passive income. Whether it's achieving financial independence, supplementing your existing income, or funding specific lifestyle expenses, setting clear goals provides a roadmap for success. Break down your goals into actionable steps, timelines, and measurable targets to track your progress and stay motivated along the way. Develop multiple streams of passive income. Diversify your passive income streams to minimize risk and maximize earning potential. Instead of relying on a single income source, explore multiple avenues such as real estate investments, dividend stocks, online businesses, and rental income. By diversifying your income streams, you can spread risk across different assets and industries while tapping into various revenue streams to enhance your overall earnings. Leverage technology and automation. Embrace technology and automation tools to streamline processes and maximize efficiency in managing your passive income streams. Whether it's using software for property management, automating email marketing campaigns for your online business, or utilizing robo-advisors for investment management, technology can help you save time, reduce manual tasks, and focus on strategic growth initiatives. Stay educated and adapt to change. The world of passive income is constantly evolving, with new opportunities and challenges emerging regularly. Stay informed about industry trends, market developments, and regulatory changes that may impact your passive income strategies. Continuously educate yourself through books, podcasts, online courses, and networking with other passive income enthusiasts. Be open to adapting your strategies and embracing innovation to stay ahead of the curve and maximize your earning potential. Passive income represents a pathway to financial freedom, allowing individuals to break free from the constraints of traditional employment and create a lifestyle of abundance and flexibility. By diversifying income streams, leveraging technology, and staying committed to your financial goals, you can unlock the full potential of passive income and build a sustainable source of wealth for the future. Remember that success in passive income requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.